crafty friends, we're gonna make a really quick happy birthday card using some nice bright colors. So I am using a stamp set I had, but I bet you have a lot of similar things. So this is a stamp set called Let's Party. It has these different balloon stamps that I'm gonna use in different colors. And then it has two die cuts in it, one that says happy and one that says birthday. So I'll be using those. This card will be one of the cards on an upcoming card buffet. But if you are not attending the card buffet, I think it'll be one you could easily recreate the look on your own. So for the card, we're gonna have a card base, standard size card base. I've got this really fun confetti paper that I'm gonna be using. If you are not making this kit, I would look for some kind of patterned paper like this and then pick 3 colors out of it. So I've picked matching colors that go with this, a blue, a yellow, and a red that you find in there. So the dimensions that we need, one of your colored cardstocks will be going like this. So my blue one is 4 1/4 by 3. And then the patterned paper is 4 3/4 by 3 1/2. I'm going to use a second color as a matting to my design. This is yellow in my case, and it's 4 1/4 by 3, so the same size as the blue cardstock. We're going to have white, which I'll be stamping on. And my white is 4 inches by 2 3/4. And you can see how this just stacks up to give you some good colors. And then I'm gonna use a piece of red and my die cut to cut out the word birthday. And I think you can be creative there if you have stamps, if you have die cuts, stickers that say birthday, any of that could be used here. So those are the basic supplies. The extra supply is a little bit of bling that we'll add to it. So let me show you the card as I finish assembling it here. I've already done a lot of the work. So we put the blue cardstock down horizontally about 1 1/4 inches from the bottom. Then I glued down the confetti paper and the yellow on top of that. I'm using these Stampin' Up! Colors. The blue is called Blueberry Bushel. The yellow I'm using is Crushed Curry, and the red is called Real Red. So then I used those 3 colors along with the balloon stamps, and I stamped the balloons in 3 different colors. Again, I bet you have, if you don't have this stamp set, I bet you have balloons somewhere in your stash. So I'm gonna glue that one down. You could use glue or you could use tape here, whatever you prefer. Glue goes a long way and holds very well. And then I'm gonna layer on top of that the birthday. And on a small piece of white paper, I think this was about 1/2 inch by 2 inches, I stamped Wishes, which was one of the stamps in this set. And then I just trimmed around it, and we'll put that down here. So I'm gonna glue down the birthday. I just love how colorful and bright this is, and you know, I think could use it with many different kinds of paper and cardstocks and colors and stickers and whatever it is you have on hand. Hopefully you'll be joining me for the card buffet and making it with these exact supplies and chatting and spending time together as we do that. I just use a little bit of the glue on the birthday, and I'm gonna put that kind of centered. With the glue, you have a minute or 2 to get it exactly where you want it and press down on that. And then for my wishes, that's gonna go right on the bottom here. And this card I really like because it can be for anyone, any age. It's fun and colorful, celebratory. And then we'll put down just a few sparkles for that extra bling. Put one there, one here, and let's see, maybe one down here on the corner. That looks fabulous. You can put your sparkles wherever you want. One of the things I really like about this die cut is how the little dot on the top of the eye is actually a heart. So there you have it, a quick, fun, festive birthday card. A little bit of stamping, a little bit of die cut, and using up some nice bright cardstock colors. Thanks for joining me.